Hello guys, today we are going to find the square root of any numbers. First of all, consider the example to clear that. We have to find the square root of 87. We know 87 lies between 81 and 100. We know 81 is square of 9 and 100 is square of 10. And x should be lies between 9 and 10. We have to clear idea about it. Let's take the answer. The square root of 87 equal 9. This 9 plus difference between 87 and 81. We know 6 and 9 multiplied by 2, 18. And the answer is 9.33. Let's consider another example. We have to find the square root of 12. We also know 12 lies between 9 and 16. 9 is square of 3 and 16 is square of 4. So y should be lies between 3 and 4. And the answer is 3 plus difference between 9 and 12. 3 and this 3 multiplied to 6. The answer is 3.5. It's very easy tricks. Next, let's consider another example. We have to find the square root of 27. We know 27 lies between 25 and 36. 25 is square of 5 and 36 is square of 6. And z lies between 5 and 6. And let's take the answer. 27 square root of 27 equal 5 plus difference between 27 and 25, 2, and this one multiplied by 2. We know the answer is 10 equal 5.2. It's very easy tricks.